So let's talk about why SNET. And we have some really good 4 points that I'd like to go over here. Tailored fit business cloud communications. We provide that VIP treatment. We provide those solutions to fit exactly your business needs. Personalized white glove support. Again, that VIP support to take care of exactly the requirements that fit to your business. And you're going to see this one over and over again. This is one of our biggest mantras is that we're real people accountable for your success. You could get us on the phone. You could get to know who we are. You'll know us by name, and we're going to be there to answer that phone with 100% customer service orientated mindset. So let's talk about extending your service offerings, Mike.
We'd like you to consider SNET as an extension of your team. Having worked with partners myself here at SNET for almost 7 years, we understand and respect the partner relationship. And we understand that, many of our partners sell cloud-based firewalls. They sell circuits. So we are very, very cognizant of the service offerings in each of every one of our partners to make sure that we don't step on any toes. We, if anything, want to complement that which you are offering to your clients or that which you may already have in place with your clients.
Excellent. So again, I talked about this before that this is a big mantra within our company that we are real people accountable for your success. Mike?
Yeah, absolutely. We know how that translates into the success of our end user clients. We also know how that translates into the success of our partner community. We've taken a really, really strong look at how that applies to our own internal processes. We're all very accountable to make sure that we're doing the best possible job we can to ensure the delight of our end user clients, our mutual clients, and keep your phone from ringing in the middle of the night saying, hey, why am I on SNET?